Hello students, today we are going to discuss exercise 3.6 of class 10. Students, see, first question is solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them a pair of linear equations. Students, see, first part of question number 1 is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2, and second part is 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. So it's our equation number 1, equation 2. Now see students, how can we solve both equation and we can find the value of x upon y. Student, for time being we can consider 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Now see, when we are putting this value in equation 1 and 2, then we are getting what? We are getting 1 by x is equal to u, then u by 2 plus v by 3 is equal to 2, or we can multiply both sides by 6. Then after multiplying both sides by 6, we are getting 6 upon 2, to 3u plus 2v is equal to 6 to the 12. Equation 3. Now see, equation 3, and then multiply both sides again. When we are putting the value of 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v in second equation here, then see what we are getting. We are getting u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6, and again multiply both sides by 6. To see, when we are multiplying 6 here, then 6 upon 3 2u plus 6 upon 2, then 3v is equal to 6 cancel 13, equation 4. Now see students, we are getting two more equation 3 and 4 in the form of linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and same here. So now we will solve both equation and we will find the value of u and v. Then see, how can we find the value of u and v here? Students, we can multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. So see, we can write in the form of statement multiplying by 2 in equation 3 and by 3 in equation 2. So see what we are getting. We are multiplying 2 in equation, we are multiplying by 2 in equation 3. So 3 into 2, 6u plus 2 to the 4 v is equal to 12 into 2, 24, and 6u plus 3 3 9 v is equal to 13 into 3 is equal to 39. Now change sign, minus and minus. Now see, 6u plus 6u minus cancel, 4u minus 9u minus 5v is equal to 24 minus 39 is equal to minus 15, implies what? V is equal to minus cancel, 5 3 are 15, v is equal to 3. Now students, see, when we are getting the value of v, then how can we find u? We can put this value of v either in equation 3 or in equation 4. So see, when we are putting here, then what we are getting? 3u plus, on the place of v put 3. So 3 to the 6 is equal to 12. Imply 3u is equal to 6 12 minus 6 is equal to 6, implies u is also coming 3. Now students, we know value of u and v. Value of u and v are coming 3. Now say student, I done one mistake here. 12 minus 6 is equal to 3, u is equal to 6, implies u is equal to 2. Now value of u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3. Now see how can we find the value of x and y with the help of u and v. We know 1 by x is equal to u, and value of u is equal to 2, implies x is coming 1 by 2, and value of 1 by y is equal to v, and v is coming 3 here, implies y is equal to 1 by 3. So student, final answer is x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Student, please note down solution of first part of question number 1. Now see next question. Now see next question. Next question is second part of question number 1. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2, and second equation is 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Now see student, again we can see here 1 by x and 1 by root x and 1 upon root y are coming. Again we can consider both value as x and y. We can consider both value as u and v. Now see, suppose that suppose that 1 by root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. Now put value of u and v in equation 1 and 2. Then we are getting what? 1 by c. On the place of 1 by root x we are putting u. Then it will be 2u plus 3v is equal to 3. Third equation. And when we will put the value of 1 by root x and 1 by root y in second equation, then we will get 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Third equation and equation number 4. Now see students, how can we solve both equations? Again we will compare their coefficient. So now see here student, coefficient of v is 3 here in first equation, and coefficient of v in second equation is what? Minus 9 in second equation. So if you will multiply by 3, then both will come equal. So now write a statement multiplying by 3 in equation 3. What we are getting when we are multiplying by 3 in equation 1, equation 3, then we are getting 3 to the 6u plus 9v is equal to 6, and 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Now plus minus cancel. 6u and 4u, 6u and 4u, 10u is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, implies u is equal to 1 by 2. Now put this value of u in equation 1. So see, equation 1 is your 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. Now put u is equal to 1 by 2. So see, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3v is equal to 2. 2 to cancel implies what? Implies 3v is equal to 2 minus 1, implies v will come 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. Now student, we know value of x and y both. Now student, we will put the value of u and v in equation 1, or you can say we will compare value of x and y with u and v. 1 by root x is equal to u, and value of root u is coming 1 by 2. Now squaring both sides. When we are squaring both sides, then what we are getting? 1 by x is equal to 1 by 4, implies x will come 4. Value of x is coming 4. And second time, when we are comparing 1 by second value, 1 by root y is equal to v, then see 1 by root y is equal to value of v is equal to 1 by 3. Now squaring both sides. When we are squaring both sides, then we are getting 1 by y is equal to 1 by 9, implies y is equal to 9. So final answer is coming x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Student, please note down solution of question number, second part of question number 1. Now see next part of question number 1. Student, I am solving fourth part. Now I am solving fourth part. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2, and second equation is 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. So see again student, this value, see x minus 1 and x minus 1, this value is repeating in equation 1 and in 2. Now see y minus 2 is also repeating. So we can consider 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u, and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. Now we can put the value of u and v in equation 1 and in equation 2. So see, when we are putting this value, then what we are getting? We are getting 5u plus v is equal to 2, equation 3, and when we are putting here, then we are getting 6u minus 3v is equal to 1, equation 4. Now student, compare both equations and compare their coefficients. So see, we can say 1 into v, coefficient of v in equation 3 is what? 1, and see here coefficient of v in equation 4 is what? Minus 3. So multiply this equation by 3. So when we are multiplying by 3, then see what we are getting. 5 3 are 15u plus 3v is equal to 6, and 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Now solve it. Plus 3u plus 3v and minus 3v cancel, and 15u plus 6u is equal to 21u, and 21u is equal to 6 plus 1 7, implies value of u is coming 7 upon 21 is equal to 1 by 3. Now put this value in equation 3, then see what we are getting. 5 on the place of u, write 1 by 3 plus v is equal to 2, implies v is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Now 3 to just 6, 6 minus 5 is equal to, again you can see value of u is coming, value of v is coming 3 to just 6 minus 5, 1 by 3. So students, now we know value of u and b, and see how can we find value of x and y. We know 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u, and value of u is equal to 1 by 3. So we can write what equation is, multiply, or we can write here 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Finally, when we are doing cross multiply, then we are getting what, x minus 1 is equal to 3, implies minus 3 will come here, then it will be x is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And second time, when we are writing 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v, and we are putting the value of v is equal to again 1 by 3, then see we are getting what, y minus 2 is equal to 3, implies y is equal to 5. So student, finally we are getting what, finally we are getting x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. So student, please note down solution of fourth part of question number 1. Now see next part. Now see next part, and next part is part number 6. Next part is part number 6. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, equation 1, and second equation is 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy, second equation. Now see student, how can we solve this type of equations. Now see, before solving, firstly we will compare their coefficient. So we can see here coefficient of x is what, 6 in equation number 1, and coefficient of x is what, 2 in equation number 2. Now write multiplying by 3 in equation. Now see, when we are multiplying by 3, then it becomes what, equation number 1 is 3x, 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, and it becomes what, 6x plus 3 4 ja 12y is equal to 5 3 ja 15xy. Now change sign, minus minus minus. So see student, 6x plus 6x minus cancel, and 3y minus 12y minus 9y is equal to 6xy minus 15xy minus 9xy, minus minus cancel, y cancel, and 9 cancel. So value of x is coming, finally x is coming, see x is coming 1, value of x is coming 1. Now see, when x is equal to 1, then how can we find the value of y? We can put this value of x either in equation 1 or in equation 2. So see, 6 into, on the place of x write 1 plus 3y is equal to, right here 1, 6 1 ja 6, 6y implies what, 6y minus 3y, 3y is equal to 6 implies y is equal to 2. So final answer is coming x is equal to, final answer is coming x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Students, please note down 6th part of question number 1. Now see, next part is part number 8. Next part is part number 8. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4, and second equation is 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. First equation and second equation. Now students, see here, this time we will suppose that this value is repeating here and see this value. So both values are repeating now. So we can consider, suppose that 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. Now put the value of u and v. So by putting the value of u and v in equation 1 and 2, we are getting what? U upon u plus v is equal to 3 by 4, or 4u plus 4v is equal to 3. Equation 3. Next time when we are putting here, then see what we are getting. U upon 2 minus v upon 2, u upon 2 minus v upon 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. We can multiply by 2. We will multiply by 2. So when we are multiplying by 2, then it will be u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4, or 4u minus 4v is equal to minus 1. Equation number 4. Now students, see, when we are solving both equation, equation 3 is your 4u plus 4v is equal to 3, and equation 4 is your 4u minus 4v is equal to minus 1. Now solve both equation. See, plus 4v minus 4v cancel, 4u 8u is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, implies u is equal to 1 by 4, and put this value of u in equation 3. So see, when we are putting this value of u in equation 3, then we are getting 4 upon 4 plus 4v is equal to 3, 4 cancel, implies what? 4v is equal to 3 and minus 1 is equal to 2, implies 4v is equal to 2, or v is equal to 1 by 2. So student, we are getting the value of u and v. Value of u is coming 1 by 4 and v is coming 1 by 2. Now compare with your value of x and y. We consider that 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u, implies what? 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to, on the place of u write 1 by 4. The equation is coming 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation A you can consider as equation A. And second time, when we are comparing 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v, and we are putting value of v, 3x minus y is equal to v is equal to 1 by 2. Then see, we are getting one more equation, 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation number B. Now see, compare both equation and then solve. So see, coefficient of y is what? Coefficient of y is 1 here, and coefficient of y is also 1 here, and sign are opposite. Now we can write both equation together. Write 3x plus y is equal to 4, plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel, we are getting what? 6x, 3x, 3x, 6x is equal to 246, implies x is coming 1, implies x will come 1. And when x is equal to 1, then how can we find value? We can put value in equation A or in equation B. So see, 3x minus y is equal to 2, and we know x is equal to 1. So put this value in equation 1. So 3 into x is equal to 1 is equal to 2, implies 3 1 is 3, minus y is equal to 2, and minus 3 implies what? Minus y is equal to minus 1, minus minus cancel, implies y is also coming 1. So final value is what? X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Student, please note down 8th part of question number 1. Thank you for watching.